On a day like today, it may be hard to remember the destruction St. Pete once saw,
We're always thinking about hurricanes, always.
but Brajesh Preman still remembers.
There were collapses.
He remembers the way Hurricane Helene made families' living rooms an extension of the bay.
Like everything was pushed out
towards
the front door.
Frankie!
And he remembers a time back in 2019 when a storm surge inundated dozens of cars
And my car's just stuck there.
at the Benoit Resort's parking garage.
We're trying to be proactive for our residents.
It's why Brajesh, now the Director of Engineering and Capital Improvements for the city of St. Petersburg, wants to try to put something in place to keep it from happening again. Launching a new Seawall Master Plan project that looks to identify, repair, and extend up to 6 feet the 15 miles of seawall the city owns.
This is planning for resiliency and addressing vulnerability.
Using a federal grant secured back in 2020, in addition to penny for Pinellas funds to complete the project.
The residents will have that opportunity to understand where their seawalls are, where the privately seawalls are, and where their risk is.
The city also now taking public input, hoping that even if they can't control these peaceful scenes, they can bring residents peace of mind. Yeah, and the public will have their first opportunity to give that input tomorrow at 6 p.m. virtually. We'll have a link to that on our website, 10tampabaynews.com. But Courtney, I'm told the city's goal is to have some sort of final plan in the works by May. We're reporting live tonight here in downtown St. Pete. Andy Payton, 10 Tampa Bay News.